Hello, I'm Cody Smothers, and on this episode of Student of the Month, we talk about December Student of the Month, Zoey Obert. We will talk to some of her friends and teachers, and well, I think that's all from me. Go ahead and play the clips.
Zoey deserves Student of the Month because she's always hardworking, and no matter what she's going through, she's always willing to be there and work her hardest.
Zoey deserves Student of the Month because she works hard all the time. She never takes no for an answer. If she feels like she didn't do her best on something, she is doing whatever she can to make it up, and she just continuously does that.
Why does Zoey Obert deserve Student of the Month? Well, Zoey is very dedicated. She is honest. She is a wonderful helper for me. She is very caring.
My favorite trait about Zoey is her hard work and dedication. Without that, she wouldn't. I just really look up to her for what she does for the school and for our community.
She is not afraid to tell you what she thinks, regardless of what you're gonna think about her opinion. She is very straightforward with you, and she says what she needs to say.
My favorite trait about Zoey is how caring she is. It doesn't matter what kind of mood she's in. She can always come in and make me smile. She just has a good heart.
This year during weightlifting, her and I didn't want to participate in game day, so we asked Mr. Young if we could do a circuit workout instead, and we both died with the circuit workout he gave us, so that was pretty fun.
My best memory of Zoey would be when she was one of the hometown hero winners for KHQA. I was so proud of her, and it was such a deserving award.
All right, Zoey. So what I love most about Zoey is how resilient she's shown herself to be over the years. It hasn't always been smooth sailing for Zoey, and like the toughness that she's shown over the years, and then with that, having to be as tough as she's become, she's not lost the heart. She's still got a huge heart, and still really goes out of her way to show care to other people. So sometimes the world can kind of make you too tough, and you kind of lose the heart piece, and she's been able to keep both, and so that's what I really love about Zoey.
That'll do it for this episode of Student of the Month. Next episode will be about December Student of the Month. Goodbye and have a great day.